Hey guys, when I found out that they had the Disney doorables in Australia, I was like, well, I need to grab some. But my local store only had the small ones, so of course I had to pick up 4, and I thought, oh, who better to share it with than everyone on TikTok, so I'm so excited. We got Anna. How cute. Oh, and the pig from yeah. The second door. We got Olaf! Oh my god, how cute! And we got Minnie Mouse. These are so cute. We got one of the fairies from Cinderella, I think. Oh, Sleeping Beauty. And is this Pascal, or am I wrong? Yes, Pascal from Tangled. He's so cool. And the last one. I think this is Prince Eric. Or Prince Charming, maybe. Yes, Prince Charming. My mistake. And another mini. Oh, I can't wait to collect all of these, and I hope you guys enjoy this journey with me.